I wonder if there's anything in here. Oh, why is it so cold? It feels like winter in our house. Where is Susie? I haven't seen her most of the day. Aha! Your warm slippers remind me of cold winter.
Yeah, it's a chilly day today, so I put them on.
And no summer for you.
What do you mean, no summer?
Nothing reminds me of summer. Oh, life is so unfair.
Sammy, what about the cactus?
It's not even real. It's magical. It's not summer, more like a fairy tale.
What about this? Look, a very summery candy just for you. What's the matter with you?
I don't know. Can't stop thinking about the hot sun, how I swam in an open pool with bright blue water and all that.
You're missing the summer.
Yeah.
Well, I can't get you back into summer, but I can bring a lot of summer to you.
Oh? How?
We'll make you your own swimming pool with a sunshade, warm sand, and an air mattress.
Hooray! Let's get started.
And you know what?
What?
I'll get you a surprise as well.
A surprise? What?
You'll see.
Hey! Thank you so much for your captioning ideas. This pirate photo really deserves it, right? It was so hard for me to select the best caption, but I've managed to pick 5 best ideas and I want to share them with you.
Hey, Sam, what about the swimming pool? Did you forget about it?
I never forget things, but perhaps we should finish making the pool and then read the list of nominees for the title of Best Caption.
Good idea. Guys, the 5 best captions for Sam's pirate photo at the end of this video.
I'll have a swimming pool! Yahoo! Those are the most amazing pool parties!
Parties?
Well, of course! Who doesn't like pool parties and pools? They are awesome! Guys, I'm absolutely sure you love swimming in the pool. Write in the comments if I'm right.
Sammy, I hate to upset you, but the pool won't be too big. More like just for you.
Just for me? Well, that's not that bad if you think about it. Nobody will splash at me. I won't have to wait my turn. How are you gonna make it? Not dig a pit in our living room.
Of course not. First, we'll take this tray.
Why do I start thinking about cats when I look at it?
No idea. We'll also need this plastic container, which I've painted white. I'll place the container into the tray like this and pour some sand around it.
Oh, you took it from Fluffy, right? It's nice. I've checked.
No, Sam. It's impolite to take sand from cats and unhygienic too.
Unhinging.
It means that this sand is clean.
Oh, and isn't it time for the surprise?
No, not yet. Later. I'll pour the water into our pool. This should be enough.
But Susie, shouldn't the pool water be like this? Here, look.
You're right, but we can easily fix that. I'll add some blue coloring into the water.
And I'll stir it. I'm the master mixer after all. Oh yeah, so pretty!
You're right. This looks much prettier. You'll also need an air mattress.
A mattress? Oh, I'll be right back.
Sam, where are you?
Quick, I need to pick the best mattress. Soft and fluffy. Not you, cat. Oh, this is the right place. I need to check it out right away. This one's good, but too big. What do we have here? What if... Yes! Yes! Right! Oh, which one should I pick? This one. Heavy.
Just one more. Sammy! Sammy, what's this pillow doing here?
Well, I couldn't bring the mattress from the bed, so I let it be a pillow.
Oh, no, Sammy. I meant an air mat for the pool.
An air mat? Where will I get that from?
I'll make it for you.
From what?
From straws. I've already cut them to the size I need.
And how will you make a mat from them?
Like this. I'll take some baking paper, place the straws inside, carefully, cover them, and run an iron over really well. But guys, ask an adult to help you. This iron is really hot.
That's why I never iron anything.
Ah, so that's why, not because you're lazy. Now I'll unwrap it and take it out. I'll cut off the excess here and there. And done! Look how it floats.
This reminds me of summer already.
Guys, what reminds you of summer? Write in the comments.
This is great and all, but I feel like I need something else. Yeah. First, I need subscriptions. Have you subscribed? And even hit the bell button? Well done. Second, I need cold lemonade.
Lemonade? All right, I'll think of something.
And third, I need your surprise. When?
Soon! Soon! To make a mini lemonade for Sam, I'll take this toothpaste cap and I'll put a piece of colored sponge inside and insert a straw.
Right, I'll get everything ready. This one goes here. Oh, yeah! Awesome!
Enjoying your pool already? Here's your lemonade, Sammy. It'll last you a long time.
Many thanks.
And here's your surprise!
What? What's this?
It's a cactus. Well, sand, heat, cactus. You'll have real greenery. So, Sammy, are you still missing the summer?
This is just like a real summer pool! Even with the cactus, it's not a palm tree, but great! A splash, splash, splash! Ah, yeah. So good. Hey!
Guys, did you like this pool? Give a thumbs up if you did. Let's get it to 2,000 thumbs up to drive away the blues. And don't forget to share this video with your friends.
Hey, what's this?
This is artificial lemonade.
Artificial? Where's the real one?
It was meant as a joke.
You owe me at least 3 bottles of lemonade now. Moral damage and all that. Guys, before we talk about the caption for my pirate photo, I'd like to remind you that the contest for the best drawing is still on. We only got 2 videos, but we're still waiting.
All you need to do is attach a link to your video or your photo in the comments. Ask someone to help you with it.
Are you ready to find out who's become a nominee and a winner in this category? The best caption for my pirate photo?
I'm sure they are.
All right, let's start. 5th place, The Adventure of the 7 Seas. This was in my plans when I was making that photo to swim across all the 7 seas. Oh yeah.
Wow, this viewer must have great intuition.
That's right. 4th place. This is correct. Me and a pirate flag. Arr.
Do you think everyone saw the pirate flag in the photo?
Of course they did. Our viewers are very observant. 3rd place.
You are indeed the first slime pirate.
Yes, and proud of it. 2nd place. Captain Slime Sam and a slime boat. This sounds so good.
I agree, it suits you. But which caption did you choose for first place?
I'll show you. Here!
Oh, great! You can't do without candies, right? Let's attach it to the frame with your photo like this.
Awesome! Guys, thank you so much for your activity. We track all your replies and we'll soon share something else.
Until we meet again, bye-bye!